Hi, I'm Anatoly Kvitnitsky. I'm the VP of Growth at Trulioo. Trulioo, we're a global identity verification company. We have the ability to verify over 5 billion people across over 100 countries. And we provide that ability all through just one single API. We have built this product through a network of over 400 different data sources. Just like Airbnb doesn't own any properties on its network, nor Uber own any cars on its app, we actually don't own nor store any of these data sources. We simply provide access to them through our marketplace for our clients. Our clients use us today primarily to meet their anti-money laundering and know your customer requirements around the world. We help a number of regulated industries, including marketplaces, banking, financial services, remittance, and even cryptocurrency, all meet their AML and KYC requirements. On top of AML and KYC requirements, we help our customers reduce fraud, mitigate risk, as well as improve trust within their networks and on the internet overall. Today, we're really excited. We actually had a new use case come in this morning. It was actually a university, the University of Southern Comfort. If you haven't heard, universities have had some trouble with their enrollment of late. This particular university has actually had parents bribing school officials to try to get their kids into this particular university. Now, these parents are actually being personally indicted on money laundering charges. I'm sure all of these parents can attest, kids are definitely the gift that keeps on giving. Now, the University of Southern Comfort has come to us, Trulioo, to try to help them redo their entire enrollment and identity verification process. Connor here is the lead developer, and he's going to show you how he's going to go about this process. Take it away, Connor.
Thanks, Toly. Well, this is exciting. I get to build a sign-up form. Woo! What is actually seems like quite a routine task becomes quite complicated. USC has students from all over the world, from Europe, LATAM, APAC. So I need to know naming structures, naming conventions, address conventions. Also, what the hell is KYC and AML? I should have taken that Google job offer. Luckily, I found Trulioo. Trulioo is an identity verification provider that gives their customers the ability to identify individuals in over 70 countries. They have this new service where I can log into a dashboard with just my name and my email address, and I can get a test API key. They also have an NPM package for something they call Embed ID. So if I put my API key here and I go to their GitHub, I have a very short snippet of code where I can take this import, take my NPM package that I've installed, and put it in my code. So I've imported it here. Now I just take this one line for Embed ID to put it in, and I point it at my server. Live code on stage, all right. So if I return to my site right now and I refresh, with me only having pointed it at my server, I click register now, and I have an entire form across all my countries for my KYC. Every country in my configuration is right here. If I go to the US, for example, I have all of these fields that are configured by Trulioo themselves. They're recommended in order to maximize my chance of a verification. So if I wanted to verify Toly, for example, I put in his name, his date of birth, and we'll be generous, and maybe his address. So I have his name, his date of birth, his address, and I click submit. This automatically makes an API request to Trulioo, runs the verification, identifies Toly, and we're done. Now all I need to do is come back to this portal, upgrade my account to get live access, and I'm fully integrated with my KYC and AML. It's so easy, Toly, thanks.
Well, this is awesome. I got accepted into USC again, and it didn't run my parents millions of dollars to get in. So thank you, USC, for verifying and approving me. When I entered my information, like my name, my date of birth, and my address, what Trulioo did was check each one of those fields against over a dozen different databases here in the US and provide a binary yes or no response for each one and an overall verification response for our client, University of Southern comfort to decide whether or not they're going to let me in or not. Today, we're actually really excited to announce we are launching our brand new developer plan. It's the easiest way to get access to an identity verification API with the true pay-as-you-go contract. With Embed ID and the developer plan, Trulioo is creating the most accessible and easiest way to integrate an identity verification API into your platform. So come stop by either one of our 2 booths today and let us show you how with Trulioo and one snippet of code, you can verify the entire globe. Thank you.